Hello, this is Richard Music, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine that begins generating more revenue for your business month after month. Now, to accomplish this, we first have to understand how people are finding landscaping businesses in your area. And most people simply go on Google and type in whatever service or industry they want plus the city. Then they normally just pick from the first few results down below or in the Google Map Pack, which I have on the screen here. Now, you'll notice that there's a monthly search volume of 720 a month for landscaping in Virginia Beach. Now, if we can put your business at the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 720 potential customers will see your business first before looking at the competition. However, in order to do this, we'll need to do a few things first. So let's start with the Google Map page since I already have the results up on the screen. Now, this here is what we call the Google Map section or the Google My Business. So the map pack can be a vital part of generating traffic for our business. And one of the factors it looks for when selecting where a company ranks is called citations. Now, citations are where your business name, address, and phone number are listed online, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Yellow Book, and so on. Currently, your top competitor has 5 citations. Now, we'll want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition, so I recommend doubling that number. So we'll need 10 citations in order to really move up in the map pack. But it doesn't stop there. We also have the organic search section down below in this area here. Now this area looks for different things than the map pack. So let's take a look at your competitor's website and let's see how they rank on the first page. Now you'll notice we're looking at the bay and beach landscape, and they have a visually aesthetic website. They have keywords and key phrases scattered throughout the page. Now, keywords are words or phrases used on a web page that signify to Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, where we are operating from, and this is going to help them to put us in searches related to our business, such as high volume and business related searches like landscaping, for instance. So we'll want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific while maintaining a high volume of content, which I recommend 750 to 1,000 words on your homepage, or yeah, on your homepage alone. But if I told you all you needed was content and keywords, I'd be lying, as we will also need backlinks to really push forward in the ranking, as content and keywords lay the foundation, while backlinks help give us that big push. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure for a minute. Now, as I said, your competitor only has 5 backlinks on their website, and that's caused them to really generate some power for themselves while bringing in 959 search traffic each and every month. Now, this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as keywords and content, as well as their backlink structure. So let me ask you this. What could 959 searches each month do for your business? I'll leave you to ponder that, but I do want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that you found this information helpful. Again, my name's Richard Music, and have a wonderful day.